family law in this country is huge. Marriages break down, relationships break down. 1 in 5 marriages, in fact, is in deep trouble in this country. In the over 20 years that I've been doing family law, I've represented many men, many women who find themselves deeply distressed. The relationship has broken down, they're worried, they're concerned about their children, they're concerned about their homes, they're concerned about their future. They feel a big lack of confidence, they're worried about the relationship having broken down. Each side goes to their lawyer, and the lawyers take positions on behalf of their clients, and they engage in the litigation, the court-type resolution to the problem. That's the traditional model, and for a lot of people, that's a very good model, and they need it. So, is there another way of doing this? Well, yes, there is. There is a method of dispute resolution which is called collaborative law, which is a huge growth area, and it has revolutionized, in fact, the way that family law is practiced in 4 continents and 15 countries throughout the world. It's the fastest growing international law movement at the moment. So what is it? Okay, it's a method by which the parties agree that they will not go to court, that they will try and resolve their differences in a respectful, open, honest manner. And the aim is that it's the future well-being of the family, of themselves. They try and sit around and see, can they resolve their differences by discussion. This is very important for the parties because they are somehow taking responsibility for their own solutions with the help of their lawyers and with the guidance of their lawyers, but they are making their own solutions to their difficulties. They are meeting face to face, they are talking to each other in the presence of their lawyers, and they are participating in a discussion about themselves, their family and their future. And it is about the future well-being of this family as a whole. There is something very powerful about sitting across the table from your partner or spouse and speaking face to face. So often in the traditional methods, when you don't get to sit in the same room and talk to somebody, you can find that the perceptions, by the time they pass through the various layers of people from one side to the other, become very garbled, and sometimes a lot of difficulty can arise as a result of this. So, what is the value in this for you? If you choose this, what is the value for you? Well, you get to control the speed and the negotiation and the solution yourself. With your partner, you sit down and you formulate what you want. It takes as long as it takes. Both people have got to be happy. Both people have got to feel that they're being heard. You actually get to be heard, which is so important. Common complaint in family law litigants is that they're not heard. Who's listening to me? You get value for your money. This is cost effective. It's also transparent. Your lawyer charges you by the hour. You know what the hourly rate is. You know how long the lawyer is working on it because you're there with him or her, except of course for the time when there's a bit of preparation beforehand or a bit of writing up afterwards, but it is transparent. So I would say you're getting value for your money. Because you're in control of this process, you don't feel as if the people around you are making your decisions for you. You're doing it yourself. You're aspiring to your new life, because if you remember, this is a road that you travel to get to the point where you're starting your new life after this relationship. You may have children in common. You may wish to co-parent. You may need a level of civility and interaction with your partner which allows you to attend the Holy Communion, attend the confirmation, dance at the family wedding, attend the christening. Children suffer most, according to all the studies that I've read, in marital breakdown, not because of the marital breakdown, but because the way the parents have handled the marital breakdown. And that is huge. So I'm recommending to you that this is a good alternative to consider very seriously. The best of relationships break down. Whether you're cohabiting, whether you're married, if your relationship breaks down, come and talk to me. We'll go through the traditional method, We'll go through the collaborative method, we'll discuss the matter, and we'll see what suits you best.